Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make screen pump effect in DaVinci Resolve. And here's how it is done. To begin, open DaVinci Resolve. Add your video and audio to the frame. Now we have to put markers in areas where the beat drops in sync with your audio. So to make markers, click the M key in your keyboard whenever the beat drops. Then click the N key or the magnet button for more accurate screen pumping. Next, go to Effect Library, then Toolbox. Under Toolbox, click Effects, then grab the adjustment clip to your frame. Place the adjustment clip at the start of your marker and split it at the next marker. Delete the remaining of your adjustment clip. Now, select the adjustment clip, then click the inspector option located at the upper part of your screen. Then turn on dynamic mode. And that is everything you need to know about how to make screen pump effect in DaVinci Resolve. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.